naimbag nga aldaw tayaw aming kakabsat, siyak ni Romel Galapia Balisi, Vice Chairman, siya si Taiwan Chapter. Manipod dito siya si Taiwan Chapter. Idanon mi iti si ayat nga pinagpuspuso mi nga kadlaawan da kayo. Iti happy 13th anniversary kanyayo dita siya si Macau Chapter. Agbiag siya si original, agbiag Macau Chapter, agbiag kanya tayo amin. God bless you all. Siya si God bless, agyaman kanyayo amin kakabsat.
To all national officers and members of Siasi Macau Chapter, happy 13th year founding anniversary kanyayo amin dita kakabsat ko. Kitsapay la kumatag na nayon ti salunat ken napintas nga panagkakadwa timpuyog iti gunglo tayo. Ket saludo akmet ket iti national chairman nyo nga ni Chairman Benny Valdez nga insayangkat na iti nasayaat nga aramid iti tunggal maysa ken nang runa iti panagtulong iti pada tayo nga tao kadagiti ag kasapulan kang runaan na kadagiti kakabsat tayo ida. Ket sapay la kumatag na nayon ti salunat yu dita ken timpuyog yu. Again, happy 13th founding anniversary kanyayo amin from founding chairman of Siasi Poland Alumni Chapter, President Agyamanak, and long live kada kayo amin kakabsat ko.
To all Siasi Macau Chapter, happy 13th anniversary kada kayo amin kakabsat. Sabay kumata, tinarugyanan nyo nga pagsayatan ni Tigunglo, ket itultuloy nyo makatulong kay kumapa iti ado padatay nga tao nang nangruna kadagiti kakabsat tayo. Again, happy anniversary. Long live Siasi Macau Chapter.
Magandang araw mga kapatid, mga bro ng Siasi International. I am Joseph Achibida, former secretary ng Taoyuan Chapter International, Taiwan. Ako'y bumabati ng sa Macau Chapter ng ika-13th anniversary ng inyong chapter at panatilihin natin ang ating kakaisa, pagmamahalan as brotherhood at higit sa lahat ang respeto ng bawat isa. Magkakaisa po tayo at maraming salamat sa opportunity na to na binigay ng aking kabro na si Council Jeffrey Soriano. Mabuhay kayo lahat dyan sa Macau Chapter. I am Joseph at I am member of Eagles at NCR 115 Balikatan Eagles Club. Hinirang Balikatan Eagles Club, NCR 115. At the same time, I am a member of NBI Kooperatiba ng National. Muli, magandang araw at happy anniversary, 13th anniversary ng Macau Chapter. Mabuhay!
Happy 13th anniversary Siasi Macau Chapter from Siasi Paris, France Chapter. Agyan!
Kumusta kayo aming kakabsat? First of all, I would like to extend my warm greetings to each and every one of you, brothers and sisters, Macau Chapter Siasi 61892, in your 13th anniversary celebration. Of course, I would like also to include the Macau Mother Chapter, Taipa Chapter, and Sansam Chapter. Your group and all contributions to the Siasi organization are highly recognized. Congratulations, brothers and sisters, on reaching this impressive milestone. Your dedication and hard work inspire us all. Hats off to all of you, brothers and sisters. Let us always continue what has been taught and molded to us by our beloved Amang, the organization, Awan Sabali, the founding chairman, international chairman, Attorney Julius Magno. Tikunana ket you must be a good, sincere, loyal to the Siasi 61892. Agmay masa tayo tapno na pigsa, kasla ti tema ti okasyon nyo, together we lead, together we succeed. May I also recognize our National Chairman, Brother Benny Valdez, our National President, Brother Godfrey Lamarca, and of course our Sorority President of Macau, Sister Marites Tejada, and all officers, members, advisors, legal advisors, mentors. Brothers and sisters, I join your enjoyment, excitement, and happiness in your 13th anniversary celebration. I wish I could personally meet and greet all of you someday. God bless your humble brother, International President Cesar Magno. Thank you.